Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to 44 Tech Zone. Today, we're exploring the latest buzz around the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and what we can expect from this upcoming foldable gem. Let's dive in. Big news in the camera department. The Z Flip 6 could sport a 50-megapixel main sensor, a significant leap from the 12-megapixel sensor in previous models. This upgrade promises better photography and video capabilities. We might see a slight increase in battery capacity for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, providing longer usage time compared to the 3,700 mAh battery in the Flip 5. Expect top-notch performance as the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is expected to be powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. Running on One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, the Z Flip 6 will be packed with Galaxy AI features, offering a smarter and more intuitive user experience. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is shaping up to be an impressive update with enhancements in design, camera, and performance. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest tech news. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more tech insights and reviews. See you in the next one.